Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are at the play school Weebles Treehouse, and there's Bluey, Daniel Tiger, and Peppa Pig. And they have some special friends joining them today. Let's open the blue treehouse door. It's a Topsy tumbler. This one is standing on its head. And if we turn it around, this one is standing upright. And they like to do somersaults. There are 3 other Topsy tumblers in the treehouse. Let's find them together. Do you see another Topsy tumbler somewhere? Look on the merry-go-round. Let's go for a ride. Peppa Pig will join. Look up, way up at the top of the tree, and there's another Topsy tumbler that spins while the merry-go-round is moving. We need to find one more Topsy tumbler. Oh, there's a secret room at the top of the treehouse. Let's open it up. Surprise! A sleeping Topsy tumbler. Pink and purple. Time to wake up and go down the big orange slide. Daniel Tiger and Bluey want to go on the Ferris wheel. They have a secret slide in the middle of the treehouse. Can you give me a little push, Daniel? Okay, just a little one. Woo! Daniel's turn. Whee! Daniel wants to ride in the red seat, which means Bluey gets the orange one. All right, Tiny fans, it's time to say goodbye. Did you spot the miniature Tinkerbell somewhere early in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. In the middle, let's show them Daniel. Oops. We're going to go down the secret slide in the middle of the treehouse. Bluey's first. Whee! Next is Daniel. Oops! Daniel wants to ride in the red. Oops!